Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is only for your good preparation for Neet. I will discuss with you the most expected biology questions for Neet 2024 at regular interval, and definitely it will help you to crack the Neet exam. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you found true value in this video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. Let's my keep this community growing, and obviously also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment sections. Now the question is, antivenom injection contains preformed antibodies, while polio drops that are administered into the body contain, there are options: attenuated pathogen, activated pathogen, harvested antibodies and gamma globulin. The answer will be option 1, attenuated pathogen, because antivenom injection is an antiserum which is obtained from the snake's poison, and it is transferred to the person with a snake bite. It is used to provide immediate immunity in case of emergency. And in other case, polio vaccine are vaccines used to prevent poliomyelitis. Two types are used: an inactivated polio virus antigen given by injection and an attenuated polio virus given by mouth. The inactivated polio vaccines are very safe. Mild redness or pain may occur at the site of injection. Oral polio vaccines cause vaccine associated paralytic poliomyelitis. So here the correct answer is attenuated pathogen. Now we'll go for the next question. The question is, in higher vertebrates the immune system can distinguish self and non-self, self cells and non-self. If this property is lost due to genetic abnormality and it attacks self cells, then it leads to, there are four options: active immunity, allergic response, third graft rejection, and fourth is autoimmune disease. The answer will be option 4, autoimmune disease, because autoimmune disease is a condition arising from an abnormal immune response to normal body tissue. In an autoimmune disease, the immune system fails to recognize self cells and produce antibodies against self cells. Common symptoms include low-grade fever and feeling tired. Autoimmune disease is due to genetic abnormality or other environmental factors. Then go for the next questions. Here the question is, depletion of which gas in the atmosphere can lead to an increased incidence of skin cancers? The options are methane, nitrous oxide, ozone and ammonia. The answer will be option 3, ozone, because the ozone layer or ozone shield refers to a region of Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet UV radiation. It contains high concentration of ozone relative to other parts of the atmosphere, although still very relative to other gases in the stratosphere. Excessive exposure can also cause cataracts, immune system suppression and genetic damage, resulting in problems such as skin cancers. Now the next question is, grafted kidney may be rejected in patient due to, options are innate immune response, humoral immune response, cell-mediated immune response and passive immune response. The answer will be option 3, cell-mediated immune response, because the grafted kidney may be rejected in a patient due to cell-mediated immune response, that is mediated by T lymphocyte. The body is able to differentiate self and non-self. Therefore, tissue matching, blood group matching are essential before undertaking any graft or transplant, and even after this patient has to take immunosuppressants all his or her life. Hence, the grafted kidney may be rejected in a patient due to cell-mediated immune response. So, the correct answer here is cell-mediated immune response. Now the question is, match the following diseases with the causative organism and select the correct option given below. Here the column 1 contains the name of 4 diseases and column 2 contains 4 causative organisms. The options are given here and the answer will be option 3, because we know typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi, malaria is caused by Plasmodium vivax, pneumonia caused by Haemophilus influenzae, and filariasis is caused by Uchereria bankruptcy. Thank you. Stay tuned for our next video, and I would truly grateful if you enjoyed this one.